Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see Facebook story without them knowing. So guys, actually that happens when you saw someone's story but you don't want them to know that you have seen the story of them. So in that case, there are lots of video available on the internet that says you to sign in to any third party application and then download those stories and then see them, but actually this process is very much risky. At the same time, it is very much time taking. I'm saying you why, because at first when you will log into that third party application, that application may steal your data like Facebook username or password and use them for any bad activities. So in that case, those tricks are not at all secure and safe as this. So what I'm going to show you, just see this carefully. So here in my feed there are so many stories there, and the thing is, when someone has put the story and you have not seen them yet, the ring will be of blue. You can see this blue ring here around their profile image, and after, let's say I see one of the story, let's say this one, so this is the story. So when I just see the story, it becomes white. As you can see, all the rings are blue but this one is white. So now what I can do to see these stories without give them view, so what you have to do is, just like, let's say you want to see this story, this one. So what you have to do is first give view to any of the story which is not as important as this story, just like this. And now what you have to do, you have to use your fingers, like just hold its finger and just hold this photo with your finger and then scroll to the right and then also scroll this like this from right to left, just like this. That's how you can very easy see the story, but don't unhold your finger. If you don't keep your finger on this story, it will be checked as view, so don't do that. Just hold the stories and watch them just like this, and then again come page to the previous one which you already given a view. Now just let it free and just come back, and if you refresh this, you can see that there is still blue line. That means you don't give a view, they have not got the view yet. So this is the amazing trick I wanted to share with you. That's how you can view Facebook story without them knowing. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.